Hey everybody, this is Kosho. In case you haven't seen me, here I am. And I'm going to go over a couple helicopters today that I normally fly. These are my 550 size helis, and I'm going to show you why I like them and the stuff I use in them, the electronics and such. Check it out. Okay, so first we're here with my new helicopter. This is an Oxy 5. Basically, here's the canopy so that if you've seen it in the magazine, the Oxy 5 here is my lightweight helicopter that I got about 2 weeks ago. Bought it off HeliDirect. I'm using the Avion 100 speed control. I'm using a 6S LiPo. As this one, it's a 5000 milliamp Spektrum LiPo. And I'm using a Spektrum tail servo. This is the 6350 tail servo. And basically, it's really fast and nice. This helicopter's got the BK 7002 servos in it. They're coreless. I'm using those because it's all I have. I've had them for about 6 years. And this one's also got an X-Nova 4025 motor. This heli, I'm going to post a video of it flying today. I really like it. It's really crisp and flies awesome. It's rigid the way it flies. You can do low head speed or high head speed with it, which you can with most of my helis. Next we have the Goblin 580. It's a Kraken 580 actually, and I just put full-size Spektrum 6350 servos in it. These are the HV servos that I use in everything, my 700s and all too. I had the micros or the mini servos in it, and the minis did work good, but for what I'm doing in hard smack and stuff, I just wanted to try a little more power, and it is noticeable. So I'm going to go ahead and keep those in the heli. This is a 12S setup now. I've got the Hobby Wing 130 amp speed control, running Spektrum 3200 milliamp 6S LiPos. Here's what they look like. They're basically in series, so you get 12S, and that's how big the battery is. It's got an X-Nova motor in it also. This is a 4025 560 kV motor. It's a Lightning version. Basically, that's the best motor I've ever flown. It stays nice and cool. I couldn't live with the Tengu, so I took it out. I'm running the Switch rotor blades on this. I am hooked up with Switch. These are the 603 blades. They are the non-XFs. I like the centripetal feeling of my blades, so I don't run the XFs. I kind of learned that from Bird himself. So anyway, there they are. Oh, and back on the Oxy, I'm running the SAB 570 blades on that right now. Here's my Fusion 550. And I wanted to show this helicopter versus the other helicopters we have on the bench because it is one of my favorites. And you know, basically for $499 you can't go wrong because it can do everything that these other helicopters can do. And it's running the same size servos, the same servos that I put in everything, the 6350s. And we're running a Micro Beast, and you've seen this helicopter fly a million times in video, and you know it rips. So that's a lineup of my helicopters. Oh, and I guess I'd mention the weight. It's funny, but the Fusion 550, the Stretch 480 here, is actually only 6.8 pounds when I have a battery in it. It's a 5000 6S LiPo I run. The comparable heli would be the Oxy 5, and this one with the 6S, the same LiPo, is 7.4 pounds. So if you're looking for a lightweight helicopter, the Fusion 550 would be the way to go. And then you've got your Kraken 580, and of course it's on 12S, but this helicopter weighs an even 8 pounds now. So 8 pounds 12S with you know, 603 blade. We're doing pretty good because a 700 weighs about 13 pounds sometimes. 12 pounds I guess is what mine is. So you know, power to weight ratio is right there. So anyway, check it out. That's cool. Spektrum IX12 long range module on the back for my drones, and that's all we do. Thank you.